Weather Service in Salt Lake City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Salt Lake County in northern Utah, north central Utah County in northern Utah, until 7:30 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 7:06 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Midvale, or over Murray, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, trained weather spotters have reported wind gusts to 60 miles per hour. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations intended include Salt Lake City, West Valley City, Sandy, Murray, West Jordan, Taylorsville, South Jordan, Draper, Riverton, Cottonwood Heights, Midvale, Holiday, South Salt Lake, Harriman, Alpine, Bluffdale, Little Cottonwood Canyon, Mill Creek, Kearns, and Magna. This includes the following highways: Interstate 15 between mile markers 288 and 305. Interstate 80 in Utah between mile markers 123 and 130. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm, and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following counties in Utah, Salt Lake, and Utah.